because yun nga, too much is happening between the two of you.
That's true.
Yes, and mas pinili nyo ba talaga mag-prioritize ang careers nyo?
Mutual understanding naman siya, mutual statement. And what happened to us is, yun, what is the statement we released last night. So much has been going on. Dami ng projects sa News Department, Sports in Action. Ako, I have this, and may mga nilalapit na projects. And we are just so happy and blessed. Pero we've decided na wala talagang time to grow.
Okay. As individuals?
Yung
Or
relationship
as a
namin.
couple?
Yung relationship namin. So,
Wala na kayong oras sa isa't isa? Okay.
Robby, who broke up with you?
we talked about it, and then, ano siya eh, hindi naman siya yung ako yung nagsabi or siya nagsabi. It's a mutual decision talaga.
Kaya sabi mo walang third party, pero
Walang third party.
bakit naliling sa'yo si Sandara Park?
I don't know. We are good friends, and kung ano man ang mga narinig niyo, it's not true. Let's give the respect that she deserves and Dara deserves, kasi she has given honor sa atin kahit na nasa ibang bansa siya. So I think yun ang kailangan natin ibigay sa kanya. At the same time, ibigay natin yung respeto na kailangan natin ibigay kay Gretchen, kasi she's been one great person.
Are you friends with her right now?
Yes.
Is there a chance to get back together eventually pag hindi na ganong busy yung schedule niya?
Just like what we said, our doors are open for each other, and that's the best part. Hindi kami bitter sa isa't isa. Yes, on my end, I'm still hurting, I'm still sad because of what happened, but sana maayos, kasi she's really a great person.
Pero kasi napaka-ideal yung kayong couple, di ba? Na kahit na marami kayong work, pinaglaban nyo and then all of a sudden it's happened. Talagang too much na ba to bear?
There's a fine line for me with being unfair. Siguro unfair kung hindi ko pagbibigyan tong trabaho ko na kailangan ko mahalin. Pero mas magiging unfair kung hindi ko maibibigay yung time na deserve niya.
So hindi mo kaya i-sacrifice yung mag-give up ng ibang shows or ng ibang trabaho para mabigyan ng time kung paano yung relasyon nyo?
Personally, mas bibigyan namin ng priority kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa buhay namin. Kasi ito yung hinintay namin.
Robby, for the record, kailan kayo nag-break?
Bigyan na sa amin yan. But, yan, yung mga 3-month rule, hindi nag-a-apply talaga sa akin.
Thank you, Robby.
Okay, thank you. You can do that.